This workshop is going to be converted into my workshop. So it's going to be a 7 by 4 meter, which is really nice. So this is what it looks like now to this. A few little bits to fill in. Nothing worse than being too cold. So that's the insulation in. My coffee person. I couldn't survive without my tea.
We're having a really good day today, Rob.
Good. See, when you've got a good team, you get on and do these type of things. I'm just waiting for the electrician to come and put the lights in. But it's been good for me to set this up because it allows me to see where I want the lights to be over the bike. There's no point in having lights over the top of the bike because what that does is just cast shadows on the sides. So I want to throw the light out to the sides so that I get ambient light that comes in rather than a direct light. The enemy of restoration work is shadow. Right, I've been away on a course and the electrician has apparently put the lights in. Where is the light? Okay. Okay. Oh yes, look at that. Wow. That's amazing. That's very nice. Sorry it's been a while since I produced a video, but you know, work gets in the way. Sometimes I have to give courses away on carbon bicycles. So we work with brands and so on and so forth in the company, and sometimes I'm called away. So this is, let's not forget, it's just a hobby for me. It distracts me from my daily grind, which is a fantastic way to do things because I love doing what I do here. As you can see, the workshop is now done. I'm delighted with the amount of light in here. It's not perfect, but it'll do just fine, as this is a rented property and I'm not going to make it my own too much. That said, in the meantime, what I have done is I've done some engine work. I've finished all the engines now. We're not far away from the actual completion of these three RM125s. I've got to pop the engine in this one and then the other one, and then we've got to fix the radiator on the other one. What else is there? Oh, of course, there's the plastics that have to be done. Once that's done, these bikes will be completed. And then I will probably get on with the Commando. There's a lot of people asking about that bike, and I've had it for nearly 2 years now. Worked on it in stages, but now I've got to get back in and get that one out of the way because it is a very valuable bike and it has a historic value. So I'd very much like to see that bike being put in a museum or shared, certainly with the Norton enthusiasts. So I will be doing that one next. Let's see how we get on today. I'm really delighted with the workshop. I can now see my camera. So let's get on with it, and I'll see you on the other side. There we go. That's the kick start boot. And one of these was missing on the rear brake. Got some nice clean new cables. This is the M6, and I've ordered an M8 with the same, hopefully the same head thickness. Just going to put those in position now. Needs threading though. I think this is the crank. You can see all the corrosion that took place on this while it was sitting. So it's no wonder we had to do a replacement on the part. So you can actually see originally it was probably there, and then somebody tried to turn it over and then left it like that. Yeah, I'm pleased we've got all the bits we need. Okay. So this is engine 2 after 2 restrips, learning curves, things that are quirky about this bike, which are not that obvious. So anyway, just in time for the third one, which should be a bit easier. There is a challenge on this one. This gear selector, this is snapped off. A little bit of work to do yet before these engines hum into life. So a lot of issues with this engine, but I have to say it's all looking good now. New piston, and I'm putting on some new rings. Make sure the Magneto is as centered as possible, so we get the best possible spark, and then that should be the engine's done.